Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your parking brake on a 2011 Ford F-150. So you have the access window with a rubber boot on it to keep the water out. It's located right under the differential tube. You see the round cutout. I take a pair of pliers because it has a lip to it, and I'm going to just hold on to it while I pull it out. You don't want to put it inward because then you have to take the whole You might have to take the whole rotor off. Try a small screwdriver. Just got to make sure you put pressure on it. Make sure it doesn't fall in. So with that out, I'll set that aside. And the adjuster is, you can see it, it's like right here if you look down inside. Now you're going to take a angled spindle and you're going to see which way it goes to adjust. It feels like it's going to go upward. So I'm grabbing it and spinning it up. At the same time, I'm going to rotate my tire because I want to feel the brake, e-brake grab. You'll end up feeling or seeing which way it goes. You'll be able to tell. The key is to spin the tire and you'll hear the brake shoes start to hit the rotor. Now you're going to do the same thing to the other side. So now with both e-brakes adjusted to my liking, what you're going to do is you're going to go inside, apply your parking brake, push down on that pedal. If it goes all the way to the floor, then you're going to come back, obviously release the pedal, come back and keep adjusting these until your e-brake pedal is midway or a couple clicks down. You don't want it too tight, but you don't want it too loose. So now it's safe to put the rubber protected boots back in. I like to put the cup side out so I have something to grab every time I remove it or install it. This thing is kind of tricky. It's got the lip for the tin plate to sit in. Don't get too Brutus with it. Sorry Brutus if you're out there. And you see the lip, how it sits in the tin. See the groove of the rubber? Set it up there. Perfect.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.